My name is Dennis. What is your name?
Hello Dennis, I'm Zero. Nice to meet you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be setting up a virtual assistant and completely for free. We'll not be using any paid APIs. We'll be using completely free API, that is Groq API. I'll be guiding through all the process. So first, I'm assuming you know about Visual Studio Code and how to set up codes in Python and everything. So here is the code that I have built. This is virtual assistant.py. So let me give a bit of explanation about this code. So here we are installing all these modules. Just you can refer these and install all these modules. We are using the Whisper model and the base variant. I tried the large variant, but it is pretty big and very CPU intensive, and the process becomes very slow and not so intuitive, so we'll not be using large model. I'm using the base model here, and here is the recording parameters, and here we have to set up the Groq API client. So how we have to set up the Groq API client, where can we get the key, I'll be explaining it later in the video, so stay tuned. After that, we will initialize the conversation. This is the system message. Respond using extremely less words. So what this does is it makes the conversation a bit more human like. So what happens is, first the audio is recorded, then here you can see the buttons for recording and start recording. This audio is recorded, then it is transcribed and it is saved into temp.audio.wav temporary audio file. Next, this audio file is transcribed using the Whisper model. After it has been transcribed, it is shown and updated in the interface which we will be having. Next, this is then fed into the model. Here we are using the Mixtral 8x7b model. After it has been fed to the model, it creates the response, and this response is again updated into the GUI. After that, we are using the Google text to speech model here, which converts the written response into audio. So this is the whole cycle which happens. I have set it to a faster pace so that it feels more human. Here you can change the speed. I have set it to 1.24 times. So here you can change the speed if you want. So this is the whole code here. So first let us just take a API key here and set it up. So let me show you how can that be done. Let's go into the browser and type Groq API. So once you are here, see this accelerating systems real-time AI solution. Click into it, and at here select Groq Cloud. Now go into the API keys. I have some API keys already, but we'll be creating a new API key here. So click create API key. Let's name it virtual assistant Mixtral. Okay, let's submit it. So here we have got the key. Make sure that you copy this key right now only, because once you close this dialog box, you will not be able to see this key ever again. So copy the code, copy the key, click on done. Now here we'll be pasting the key here. Okay, we pasted the key. Now the whole code seems to be complete in my opinion, so let's run it. As you can see, the dialog box has appeared. Now I'll be starting the conversation. Hi, how are you?
Great, thanks. You?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's so nice to meet you. Actually, I'm screen recording and I'm using the model, so that is the problem we are facing, and it is taking time.
Nice to meet you too. https www.mermaid-js.org/syntax/flowchart.html. Here's a cool mermaid flowchart template for you to play with. Mermaid. Graph TD. A. Start. To B. Is it raining? Closing curly bracket. B. Greater than. Yes. C. Take umbrella. B. Greater than. No. D. Go outside. C. Greater than A. Reach destination. D. Greater than A. Reach destination. Backquote. Just paste the above code into a markdown file. And use the Mermaid Preview plugin to see the live rendered flowchart. Have fun!
My name is Dennis. What is your name?
Hello Dennis, I'm Zero. Nice to meet you.
So as you can see, we are able to have a conversation, and this conversation is actually continuous. So in the next prompt, if I ask what is my name, it will respond that my name is Dennis. So let's try that. What is my name?
I believe you mentioned that your name is Dennis.
So this is the way we can have a conversation with this voice based chat application. I'm trying to develop this over and over so that eventually we are able to replace Siri with this, because as you know, it is a bit more conversational. So you can try this code. I've pasted it in the description, and just give me the review and what you think about this code. Thank you guys for watching.